Amazing unknown psychological facts about women and human behaviors. Men and women both value physical attractiveness in potential partners, but other traits are important too. People tend to be attracted to those with similar levels of physical attractiveness. Eye contact can increase feelings of attraction and connection. The brain's reward system is activated during the early stages of romantic love. Hormones like oxytocin and vasopressin play a role in forming emotional bonds. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter, is associated with pleasure and reward and is released during pleasurable experiences, including sexual activity. Sexual orientation is believed to be influenced by a combination of genetic, hormonal, and environmental factors. Men tend to have a higher sex drive and think about sex more frequently than women, on average. Women's sexual desire can be more influenced by emotional and relational factors. The Coolidge effect refers to a phenomenon where a male's sexual interest is renewed with a new partner. The concept of sexual imprinting suggests that early experiences influence later sexual preferences. Evolutionary psychology suggests that certain behaviors are rooted in our ancestors' survival and reproduction needs. Men and women often use different communication styles, with women more focused on rapport and men on status. Men and women may process emotions differently, with women generally being more emotionally expressive. Mirror neurons in the brain contribute to our ability to understand and empathize with others' emotions. Body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice are crucial in nonverbal communication. Based on a study involving Scottish women with an average age of 27, having a noticeable tubercle on the upper lip increases the likelihood of having experienced a vaginal orgasm. The mere exposure effect suggests that people tend to develop a preference for things they are exposed to frequently. Social learning theory explains how behaviors can be acquired through observing and imitating others. Cognitive dissonance theory describes the discomfort felt when holding conflicting beliefs or attitudes. Groupthink occurs when a desire for harmony within a group results in irrational decisions. The bystander effect refers to the tendency for individuals to be less likely to help in a group setting. People tend to conform to group norms to avoid rejection or conflict. Confirmation bias is the tendency to seek out and interpret information that confirms pre-existing beliefs. Cognitive biases, like the availability heuristic, influence how we make decisions based on readily available information. Cognitive development stages, as proposed by Piaget, outline how children acquire and develop cognitive abilities. Attachment theory explores how early relationships with caregivers shape later emotional and relational patterns. Women exhibiting a prominent tubercle on the upper lip are more likely to experience vaginal orgasms. Maslow's hierarchy of needs categorizes human needs from basic physiological ones to higher-level psychological ones. Self-determination theory emphasizes the importance of intrinsic motivation and autonomy in human behavior. The bystander effect suggests that individuals are less likely to help in emergencies when others are present. Learned helplessness occurs when people feel unable to control or change a situation, leading to passivity. Cognitive restructuring involves challenging and changing negative thought patterns to improve mental well-being. Social identity theory explains how individuals derive their sense of self from group memberships. Cognitive dissonance theory suggests that people feel uncomfortable when their actions conflict with their beliefs. The Zimbardo prison experiment demonstrated the powerful impact of situational factors on behavior. The Milgram experiment highlighted the willingness of people to obey authority figures, even when it conflicts with personal beliefs. Self-efficacy, proposed by Bandura, is the belief in one's ability to accomplish tasks and achieve goals. The mere exposure effect explains why people tend to prefer things they are familiar with. The self-serving bias leads individuals to attribute positive outcomes to their own abilities and negative outcomes to external factors. Sternberg's triangular theory of love identifies three components: intimacy, passion, and commitment. De-individuation occurs when individuals lose self-awareness in group settings, leading to impulsive and deviant behavior. Thanks for watching.